All right, good morning. Today we are going to start with a subtracting polynomials and distributive properties quiz. Once you're done that, we're going to look at multiplying polynomials with monomials. So just a little reminder that polynomials means that there's more than one or more than three, terms with variables and constants. And then monomial just means that there's one term. So here's your quiz real quick. So today we're going to we're just going to do a little review. So yesterday we learned about multiplying monomials. So for that, all you do is you multiply the coefficients at the front and you multiply or you add the exponents of the variables inside. So for example, and hopefully you guys remember this, you would do 5 times 6. So the dot is a multiplication. And then you would do times x1 plus 2 as your exponent. So that's how you do that when you multiply. So then you would simplify that and it would be 5 times 6, which is 30 x, and you add your two together exponents. So you would have 30x to the power of 3. We also learned about the distributive property. So hopefully you guys rock that quiz. So this is like the rainbow effect that we were talking about. So you're going to multiply everything inside the bracket. My mouse got stuck there for a second. So you would do -5 times 2x squared, which will give you -10x squared. Okay, and you would do -5 times -2x, which would be positive 10x. And -5 times positive 3, which is -15. So that would be your answer for that. So now they're asking us what we would do if we had a monomial in front of our larger bracket here. So like say if we had 2x times 6x minus 2. So in that case, you would do the same thing that we did with the distributive property. And you would multiply both inside. So you would do 2x times 6x, which would be 12x squared. Okay, so you're multiplying the 2 and the 6, and you're adding your x's. So you would have 12x squared. And then you would do 2x times -2, which is -4x. Okay, so like all the other ones, whenever we say expand, it means to multiply or to do the distributive property. So you would do the same thing for your examples here. So you would do 4x times x and 4x times -3. So 4x times x is 4x squared. And then 4x times -3 is -12x. And that's it. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here. So 5x times 2x squared would give you 10x cubed. 5x times 2x would be 10x squared. And then 5x times -4 would give us -20x. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, you can reach out to me. I will help you out, or Mr. Found. So we're going to do the same thing for here for C. So -3x times 3x squared will give us -9x cubed. -3x times -5x is going to give us positive 15 x squared. And that's it. You don't do anything else after that. The x's should stay there. And that is all for that one. So you guys have practice questions for that. And I'm gonna clear this and we'll move forward to the second lesson for today. Okay, so this is some more practice from yesterday, and then it gets a little bit more difficult there. So I'm going to stop this and I'm going to start a new lesson on another YouTube.